First, we will take you to visit our showroom to showcase our latest styles and various specifications of LED screen products. You will have the opportunity to view various LED screens with different pixel densities up close and understand the display effects of LED screens in different application scenarios. The exhibition hall will also display successful cases from previous customers, allowing you to better understand the application of LED screens in various industries. Next, we will take you to visit our aging workshop. In the aging workshop, we demonstrate the strict aging testing process to ensure the quality and performance of each LED screen. You'll see firsthand our production processes and quality control measures, and learn how we ensure every screen is rigorously tested to ensure its stability and reliability.